I welcome you all once again. In this lecture, we will study about 5 variable K-map. Then we will move to hazards. Okay, na? So before these two concepts, we will take some previous year's GET question that is based on K-map and implicant, and we will solve those questions. Okay, na? We'll solve those questions first, then we move to the concepts. So if you see this question, so it tells that what is the minimal form of K-map shown below. Assume that X denotes a don't care condition. So X is don't care and 1 is denotes mean term, output of mean terms input. Okay, na? So we have to group all these ones. Okay, na? Because don't care is not necessary to group. If we got some additional simplification, then we go for don't care also. Okay, na? So what is the value of this? Since it is mean term K map, so it will be C bar D bar, C bar D, CD, CD bar. Similarly, you can write A bar B bar, A bar B, AB, AB bar. Okay, na? Now I am going to group. So how many grouping we perform here? What is possibility? Possibility is we group this one quad is there. Okay, na? If we group here, now the second possibility is this one, corner grouping, because corner grouping is also allowed. So in all 4 corners we have 3 ones and 1 don't care. Now this one we have to group again. Okay, na? Because we have to group all mean term or max term. Okay, na? Optional is what? Don't care. So you can leave don't care, but you cannot leave any mean term or max term. Okay, na? So one more group can be formed like this. Okay, this is our one more group. Okay, now after combining all these groups or after grouping, we will decide which group is redundant here. Okay, na? The last option is remove redundant group. So if you see here, one is here, one is here. Okay, na? In this quad, consider this quad. In this quad, this one is covered by other group and this one is also covered by other group. Okay, na? So only we are covering here additional what? Don't care. We are just considering one additional don't care. Okay, na? So no need of this grouping, because with this grouping one extra term is going to add in the Boolean expression. Okay, na? So that's why it is not beneficial to add this quad in the expression. So you eliminate these. Okay, na? Because all the ones present in this quad is covered by other group. Okay, na? So we will not write the expression for this quad in the output. So how many more we have? We have 2 quad. First quad is this one. This one is the first quad, and the second quad is corner grouping. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. These are the 4 corners, and we have to group together. Okay, na? So these 2 quads are compulsory in the expression. Okay, na? But so what will be the functions for this group? I am going to write. So from rows, what is common? C bar is common, so it is C bar. For column, it is a bar b bar, it is a b bar. So which one is common? B bar is common. So it will be b bar c bar. Now for this quad, so we have here c bar d bar, here we have c d bar. What is common? D bar common. Now go for here, so it will be this one and this one. So a bar b bar, a b bar. So which one common? B bar is common, so it will be b bar. What will be the minimized function? It will be b bar d bar plus b bar c bar. Which option? B option is correct. Okay na? Now the next question is, consider the following mean term expression for f. It is given, and mean term 2, 7, 8, 13 are don't care terms. The minimal SOP form for f is, so 15 means 4 variable K map, and it is directly given also PQRS, 4 variables are there. So we will form 4 variable K map here. So this is our 4 variable K map. Okay, and we have PQRS. So it will be 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So this will be R bar S bar, R bar S, RS, RS bar, here P bar Q bar, P bar Q, PQ, PQ bar. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. तो 10 के बाद 11, 12, 13, 14, 50. We know till now. Now, what we have 0, and we know that 2, 7, 8, 13 are don't care. So 2, 7, 8, 13 put don't care. 2 is don't care. 7 is don't care. 2, 7, 8. 8 is don't care. 13 is don't care. It here. Now 0 is 1, 2 is 1, so we have don't care, no problem. So 5 is 1, 7 is 1, 8 is 1, 10 is 1, 13 is 1, and 15 is 1. So we have this scenario, okay na? Because in don't care the output will be either 0 or 1, okay na? So no problem at all. You can write like this also. So if you talk about grouping, so how many groups are possible? 2 quad is there. This one is the first quad and this one is second quad. You see here. So this will be our second quad. What will be the value? The value will be from, I am going to write for this group. So it will be P bar Q bar PQ bar. So Q bar is common from rows. Now go for the columns. P R bar S bar R S bar. So it will be S bar common. So now I am going to write for this quad. So it will be P bar Q PQ. So Q is common. Now from above R bar S RS. So S is common. What will be the answer? So answer will be Q bar S bar plus QS. Which option is? B option. B option is correct. Now next problem is this problem is comes in 2015 GATE. So the total number of prime implicant of the functions, this is the function given. So 4 variable K map we have. This one is our 4 variable K map. Okay. Now we have W, X, Y, Z. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so it is sum of min terms. So 0 is 1, 2 is 1, 4 is 1, 4 is 1, 5 is 1, 6 is 1, 10 is 1. Where is 10? 10 is 1. Okay na? So the total number of prime implicant we have to find out. Okay na? So if you talk about grouping, so these two can be grouped with these two. Okay, and the next group is a pair. This will be the pair, and the third one will be this one, from this to this. So total how many groups are possible? Number of groups is 3. Okay na? 1 quad and 2 pairs. Okay na? So total number of groups are 3. So how many pi are there? Number of pi equal to 3. Okay, so what will be the answer? 3. Suppose it is asked that how many number of EPI are there, and how many number of RPI are there, and how many number of SPI are there in this K-map. So what will be the answer? The answer is, what is EPI? At least one cell cannot be covered in other PI. So check for this group. So this one is not covered by other PI. This one is also not covered by other PI. Okay na? So this group is EPI. Again, this one is covered by this PI. Okay na? But this one is not covered by any other PI. So this one also will be EPI, because EPI means at least one cell are there that is not covered by other PI. Okay na? So this one is for this group, this one is covered by other PI, but this one is not covered by other PI. So this is EPI. So total how many EPI? 3. So how many redundant? We have only 3 PI. Out of those 3, all the 3 are EPI. So RPI will be 0. SPI will also 0. Okay na? This will be the answer. But in this question only it is asked about number of prime implicants. So this will be the answer. So this question is asked in 2017. So a function f is given in sum of min term and don't care is also there. Okay na? So which of the following is a minimum product of sum, product of sum? Remember this. So product of sum form of f का product of form कौन सा इसमें से है? Okay ना? What is given? Given is sum of min term, but output क्या पूछ रहा है? It is asked about product of sum. Okay na? So how many variables are there in this K-map? 4 variables are there. So we will draw 4 variable K-map here. Generally it is asked 4 variable K-map. Okay na? Maximum time. So it will be wx, yz. So since we know that output is in product of sum, so we will go for the product of max term, any max term K-map. Okay na? So we go for the max term K-map. So what will be the value of this? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Now at 0 output is 1 because we which expression it is given, sum of min terms, so it will be 1. At 1 it is 1, at 2 it is 1, 3 1, at 7 it is 1, at 8 it is 1, at 10 it is 1. And what is the don't care? 5 6 11 and 15. So 5 don't care, 6 don't care, 11 don't care, and this 15 is also a don't care. Okay na? And these remaining places, these missing places, what is present here? 0. So 0 is here, 0 is here, 0 is here, 0 is here, 0 is here. Okay na? In K map, whatever missing places are there, that will be 0 in min term K map. And if some missing places are there in max term K map, then those missing term is 1. Okay na? By default. Always remember this. Now I want to group this, but in max term form. In max term, output 0 is considered, so these two 0 will be connected with or grouped with these two. Okay na? So these two can be grouped with these two, so one code is this one. Now second one is, I want to cover all the zeros, so 3 0 are already covered, these 2 0 is not covered, so we have to cover in this. It will be 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So 0 represent normal form in max term, it will be y plus z. This one will be y plus z bar, this one y bar plus z bar, this one y bar plus z. From here w plus x, it will be w plus x bar, this one will be w bar plus x bar, and this will be w bar plus x. Okay na? Now I want to write the expression for this quad. So what will be the expression for this quad? What is common from here? It is w plus x bar, it is w bar plus x bar, so x bar is common. From above, y plus z is this one, y, this is y plus z, this one is y bar plus z, so z is common, so it will be plus z. Now go for this, so it will be w bar plus x bar, w bar plus x, so which is common? W bar. Now from column y plus z bar, it is y bar plus z bar, so it will be z bar. So what will be the simplified function? X bar plus z, w bar plus z bar. So w bar plus z bar and x bar plus z, A option is correct. Okay na? 2017 question it is. So in question number 5, consider the K map given below, where x represents don't care and blank represents 0. ये लिखे या न लिखे, blank represents 0, you have to know that. Assume for all inputs A, B, C, D, the respective complements are also given. Means A, B, C, D normal is given and complemented form is also given, so no need to apply not here to get complement. Okay na? So the above logic is implemented using two input NOR gate only. The minimum number of gates required is, okay na? So minimum number of gates required, it is asked in the question. So we know that whenever we are going to implement with NOR, then which function is easy for NOR implementation? product of sums. Okay na, so we will calculate here product of sum. So it will be 0, this one is 0, this one is 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay na. Now for this one we have d bar. So since we are considering max term K map, so it will be d plus c, it will be d plus c bar, it is d bar plus c bar, and this one is d bar plus c. Now it will be b plus a, it is b plus a bar, it will be b bar plus a bar, this one is b bar plus a. So now we have to perform grouping. So we know that these four can be grouped with these four, so it will be one octet. Okay na, and these 8 cells also can be grouped. Okay na, so 2 octets are possible. For this octet, what will be the function? So the for this first octet, what is common from here? It is c plus d, it is c plus d bar, so c is common. So c is common. From above nothing is common. Okay na, so left that. Now for this group, from rows nothing is common, from column we have a bar, so it will be a bar. So what will be the function? Simplified function is, we have to, now we have obtained which one? Sum term. So we have to take product of that, because it is product of sum, so it will be CA bar. Now this CA bar can be written as C bar plus AP not, because I am going to implement this expression with the help of NOR gate. So I am converting this expression in the form of NOR. So if what it will be? It will be this one. So this is our C bar, this is our A, and what will be the output? It will be C bar plus A ka whole bar, that is equal to C double bar A bar, so it will be CA bar. This is our function. So total how many NOR gates are required to implement this function? Only one, so it will be one only, because it is tells that minimum number of gates required. Okay na, so minimum gates required is 1. Okay na. Why I am taking directly C bar? Because normal form of variable and their complement is also available, so no need to apply any not get there to get complement, because complement variable is also given. Okay na, remember this. Now in the sixth question, consider the minterm list form of a boolean function f given below. This is minterm K map. So m is minterm, d denotes the don't care term, the number of EPI essential prime implicant पूछ रहा है. Okay ना, so this question comes in 2018 gate. So again we have 4 variable K map. PQRS, it will be R bar S bar, R bar S, RS, RS bar. It will be P bar Q bar, P bar Q, PQ, PQ bar. So this one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now in mean term 0, 0 output is 1, at 2 output is 1, at 5 output 1, 7 output 1, 9 1, 11 1. Now we have 3, 8, 8 is also the 10, 10 we have don't care on 10, then 12, then 14. So these are the our don't care. Now I want to form grouping. So how many groups are we can form here? We can form corner grouping, because in corner grouping we have how many ones? 2 ones. Okay na? And it will be our one quad. So corner grouping is over. Now we have these 2 ones, so it can be one more quad with the help of these 4 cells. Now for this, is there any quad possible? No. So we have to go for the pair only. Okay. Now how many EPIs are there? If you talk about EPI, so it will be 1, 2, 3. 3 PI will be there, and PI is 3. How it is 3 PI? Because EPI is at least one cell is not covered by other PI, then it is called as EPI. So in this group, this one is not covered by other PI, so this PI is known as EPI. Again in this, no one is covered by other PI, so it is again EPI. In this group, these 2 ones are not covered by any PI, then it is called as EPI. So total how many EPI is there? 3. So sometime it is asked the name of EPI, so you can write here the expression for EPI. So it will be for this group, if you want to write, it will be P bar Q bar, it is PQ bar, so Q bar is common, and from columns it is R bar, S bar, R S bar, so S bar is common. Now go for this, so it will be P bar Q from row, and from column it is S. Go for this one, so it will be PQ bar, but for column nothing is common, so we will write here. So 3 EPI is there, that is Q bar, S bar, P bar, QS, and PQ bar. Similarly 3 PIs is also there, so Q bar, S bar, P bar, QS, PQ bar. Okay na? Same. Now go for the question 7. In question 7, again it is right that minimum number of 2 input NOR gate required to implement 4 variable function expression in sum of min term form as f equal to this. Sum of min term is given. Assume that all the inputs and their complements are available. Again in this question also, variables are available in normal form as well as complement form. Okay na? So to get a complement, you don't require to add those variables with the NOT gate. Okay na? Because already complemented variable is also available with us. Okay na? So now go for the solution. So we have 4 variable K-map, because 15 is there, the maximum value is 15, and 15 can be represented with 4 binary bits. So for 1 binary bits, 1 variable is there. So for 4 binary bits, 4 variables are there. So we have to form 4 variable K map. So this is our 4 variable K map. You can see. Suppose we have PQ RS. It will be R bar S bar, R bar S, RS, R S bar. Similarly, here we have P bar Q bar, P bar Q, PQ, PQ bar. Now, sum of minterm is given. So it will be 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This one is 15. Now we have 0. It will be 1, 2, 1. Why it is 1? Because sum of minterm is given. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1. After that 10, 13, 15, 10, 1, 13, 1 and 15, 1. Okay, now this is given. Now since we have to implement the Boolean function with the help of NOR gate, so we have to apply maxterm K-map so that we will get Boolean expression in terms of product of sum. Okay na? Because if our expression in product of sum, then it is very easy to implement with the NOR gate. Okay na? So we have to write zeros in missing cells. So it will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. When we consider maxterm, so this will also be changed. Okay na? So this one will also be changed. What will be the value for this? It will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So what will be the value for this? It is max term now. We are considering max term. So 0 represent normal. So it will be P plus Q. It will be P plus Q bar. It will be P bar plus Q bar. This one will be P bar plus Q. Now go for this. It will be R bar plus S bar. Sorry, it is 0 na. 0 represent. So it will be R plus S. This one R plus S bar. R bar plus S bar. It is R bar plus S. Okay na. Now we have to group. Now we have to group all these zeros. So these two zeros can be grouped with these two, because top cells can be grouped together with the bottom cells. Left cell can be grouped together with the rightmost cells. So two quad is there. This. So for this I am going to write the expression. So it will be, from this side we will be P plus Q here, P bar plus Q here. So what is common? Q is common. Now from above it is R plus S bar, R bar plus S bar. So what is common? S bar is common, so it will be plus S bar. Now for this, the second quad, so P plus Q bar is there, P bar plus Q bar is here, so it will be Q bar. Q bar is common. From above we have R plus S, R bar plus S. So what we get here? S is there, so it will be, so function will be Q plus S bar, because product of sum, so it will be Q bar plus S. Okay na. Now we have to implement it with which gate? NOR gate. So I am going to implement it. So I have connected with a NOR gate. We have Q here, S bar here, because complemented variable also available. Now for second term will be q bar, this one is s. Now the output of these two be connected with, see here, it will be q plus s bar का whole bar. For this it will be q bar plus s का whole bar. Now what will be the output of this? It will be plus s bar का whole bar plus बार प्लस एस का होल बार का पूरे का होल बार. ओके ना. नाउ बाय De Morgan's law it will break in two parts, so it will be plus s bar double bar, and here dot will be there na, bar plus s and double, the value will be q plus s bar, one will be bar plus. See here you will get q plus s bar and q bar plus s bar plus s, that is equal to our function. Okay na. So how many NOR gates are required to implement this function? 3. So the value will be 3. Minimum 3 NOR gate are required. Now go for this. This is very good question. It comes in 2003. So in this question, consider the following circuit composed of XOR gates and non-inverting buffer. नॉन इन्वर्टिंग मतलब एक ऐसा बफर जो इन्वर्ट नहीं करता है, डायरेक्ट वैल्यूज को ट्रांसफर कर देता है. इट विल ट्रांसफर द वैल्यू इन अदर साइड. ओके ना. इन्वर्टिंग बफर मीन्स इट विल इन्वर्ट दैट वैल्यू. इफ यू गिव 0 इट विल गिव 1, but non-inverting means if you give 0 output will be 0. Okay na. So this is the diagram that is given. The non-inverting buffers have delays. D1 is 2 nanosecond, D2 is 4 nanosecond. So 2 nanosecond is given for this buffer, and for this buffer 4 nanosecond is given. Both XOR gate and all wires have 0 delay. Means only these buffers have delay, but all other wires and this XOR gate are ideal. Ideal means to produce output it will have 0 delay. Okay na. So assume that all gates inputs outputs wires are stable at logic 0. Logic 0 पे हैं at time 0. If the following waveform is applied at input A, how many transition occurs? Transition occurs means how many times your in graph transition happens, means it can fluctuate 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0. How many times it is done? Okay na. At B during the interval, which interval? 0 to 10 nanosecond. Okay na. So what we will do here, we will plot a graph for A. A is given as this one, so it will be A. Okay na. This is our A. I am going to plot the timing diagram. So it will be 0 time 1 nanosecond, 2 nanosecond, 3 nanosecond, 4, 5, 6 nanosecond, 5 more. Seven nanosecond, it is 8 nanosecond, 9 nanosecond. This one will be 10 nanosecond. This is 11 nanosecond. Okay, na? Now this is our input A. A is here, A is given here. Suppose after a delay from this buffer we will get A1, and after applying XOR gate we will get suppose X, and after delay it will be X1, and this is B. Okay na? So first I am going to plot for A1. I am going to plot for A1. Initially it is written that all the gates, wires, outputs all are at level 0. Okay na? So initially it is at 0. So it is 0 up to when? Up to 2 nanosecond A1 will be 0, because after 2 nanosecond this input is reflected on output. Okay na? Because this non-inverting buffer have a delay of 2 nanosecond. So whatever be the initial value, that will be occur up to 2 nanosecond, because it is waiting for the input to come. Okay na? Output to come from this non-inverting, the first non-inverting buffer. So from here it is, since it is buffer, so what will be the input here? That input will be reflected here as output. Okay na? So from here we get this one. So from here up to this it is 2 nanosecond delay. Okay na? From here whatever value of A is here, it will be reflected from 2 nanosecond onwards. Okay na? Because this gate has 2 nanosecond delay. Okay, now what will be X? Now we don't have a delay for this XOR gate, because only these buffers have delay. Okay na? And all the wires XOR gate have how many delay? 0 delay. So whenever it will get inputs, it will operate on those inputs. So it will be 0. For XOR I am writing here, so it will be 0 0. So XOR property is when both the inputs are different, then output will be 1, otherwise it is 0. So it is also 0, this one is also 0, so output will be 0 for XOR. It is 1, it is 0, so output will be 1, because both are different. For this section also it is 1. Now it is 1 and this one is 1, this is also 1. So when both are same, output will be 0. Now this is 1 throughout 11 nanosecond. This is also 1 for 11 nanosecond. So since input is not changed, so output will also not change. So it will be 0 only, because both are same. So 0 for this, and for this also it is both of 1. So 0, again both of 1, 0 up to 11 nanosecond. Okay na? Now I want X1. When we get output at X1 after 4 nanosecond delay, so 1 2 3 4 up to 4 nanosecond it is waiting for the output. So in this because the gate delay of this is 4 nanosecond, so up to this it is waiting for the X to come into the output. Okay na? Because X is as input here, and when output is produced it is X1. So X1 denote output, X denotes input for second non-inverting buffer. Okay na? So from here we have, so from here the second buffer will produce output. So what will be the output? The X value be, okay na? From here 1 0 2 1, the X value is, we copied X value as it is. because it is buffer na. Whatever will be on input, that will reflect on output. Now the next one is, so if you want output B, so you have to take XOR of X and X1, because this is X and this is X1. So if you apply XOR between these two, we will get B. So how it will be 0? It is 0. 0 0 means output will be 0. So this is our output. I am writing here. So it will be 0. Now we have 0 here, 1 here, 0 here, 1 here. So in this case it is 1, because both the inputs are different. Now it is 0 0. So 0 0 output will be 0, or these two, because it is 0, it is 0. Again it is 0 1, 0 1. So what will be the output? Both are different, so it will be 1. Again it is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, and for rest it will be, since both the inputs are same, so output will be 0. Okay na. So produce this B. How many transition changes occurs? How many transitions occur? So see here, the first transition is the value. Here we have 0, so it becomes 1. So 0 to 1, 1 transition. Now we have 1 here, it will become 0. So 1 to 0, the second transition. Here we have 0, here we have 1. So how many transition? One more transition, the third transition. So it is 1, it is 0 again. How many? 4 transition. So total how many transitions are there in output B? So 4 transition up to 0 to 10. 0 is this one, 10 is this one, up to 0 to 10 nanosecond. How many transition are there for B? 4 transition. So D option is correct. Okay. Next K-map will be 5 variable K-map. If we have 5 variable K-map, then how many cells are there in this K-map? 5 variables, then it has 2 to the power 5 cells. It will be 32 cells. 32 cells. 5 variable K-map can be created by using 2 4 variable K-map. So 5 variable K-map can be created with the help of 2 4 variable K-map, because in one 4 variable K-map we have 16 cell. So for 2 4 variable K-map we have 16 plus 16, total 32 cells, and we 5, and in 5 variable K-map also we have how many cells? 32 cells. Okay na. So if you want to write the combinations of input here, so right here, so we have 5 variables. So V, W, X, Y and Z. If you want to write the combinations for this, so it will be 2 k power 0, 2 k power 1, 2 k power 2, 2 k power 3, 2 k power 4. So how many combinations will be there? 32 combination we know. So 2 k power 0 means 1. So 1 0 and 1 1 up to 32 combinations. So I have written all the combinations of 5 variable, because we are going to represent 5 variable K-map. So I have written here all the 5 variables combination of input. Okay na. So if you see here till this one, till this point, whatever the value here in the upper half, same value is copied in the second half. If you see here, it will be 0 0 0 0, so it is also 0 0 0 0. Again it is 0 0 0 1, so it will be 0 0 0 1. Okay, now what is difference between upper half and lower half? It is only difference in the value of b, because in the upper half the value of b is 0. For this half, the v value is 0, and the for lower half, you see here, the value of v is, okay na? So we have to construct two 4 variable k map, one for v equal to 0 and other for v equal to 1. You are getting my point now? So see here, I am going to take two 4 variable k map. So this is first map and this one is our second map. So this is our 4 variable k map for v equal to 0. It is for v equal to 0, and this one is for v equal to 1, because we know for v equal to 0 we have 16 combinations, and for v equal to 1 also we have 16 combinations. wxyz will be wxyz and form a map of 4 variable. So it will be like this. Okay, na? So this v equal to 0 is common in all the cells of first k map. Okay na? Similarly here in all the cells v equal to 1 is common, because in the first 16 combination 0, the value of v is 0, and last 16 combination the value of v is 1. Okay, now suppose I am going to write the decimal number, so it will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Now for v equal to 11 it is start from 16. So if you go here, you see here, for this, what is the decimal value for this? It will be 16. Okay na? Go in the second v equal to 1 k map, so we will start from 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 sorry 27, it is 28, it is 29 30 31. Okay na? This will be our 32 combinations from 0 to 31. Okay, now suppose we have this type of ones. Okay, suppose I have this scenario, then what happened? Okay na? Now I have to perform grouping in these 32 cells. How we perform? So actually it is like that, it has two planes. So place this k map on the above of b equal to 1 k map. If you place on the above of b equal to 1 k map, then these 4 these four will be just above on these four. So these four can be grouped with these four. So it will make one octet. Okay, na? Because these four cells can be grouped is with these four cells. Okay, na? So in v equal to 0, the corresponding cells will be adjacent, means this cell is adjacent to this one, this cell will be adjacent to this one, similarly this cell is adjacent to this one, and this cell will be adjacent to this one. Okay, na? So all these four will be adjacent with all these four, so we have to make one octet. Okay, now, and how many groupings we have? These four cells can grouped together, and these four cells can grouped together. Okay, na? So it has one octet plus 2 quad. Total 3 groupings are there. Okay, na? So if you want to write expression, you can easily write. So what will be the expression? The expression for this group is, it will be w bar x bar, w bar x, wx, wx bar, y bar z bar, y bar z, yz, yz bar. Similarly, we can write here y bar z bar, y bar z, yz, yz bar. Here you have to write w bar x bar, w bar x, wx, wx bar. Okay. Now I am going to write the function for this quad. What will be the function? From here we have w bar common, so w bar is common. From column we have w bar z bar and y bar z bar and y bar z, so y bar is common. And we know that in all the cells of this K map we have v equal to 0. Okay, now v equal to 0 means v bar is common. So that's why we will take v bar here. Okay, similarly, if you go to write octet for this expression for this octet, so what is common in this octet? So we have w bar x here, w bar x here. So from rows we have common as w bar x, and for column nothing is common. Okay, na? And we know that one thing, because it is v equal to 0, this one is v equal to 0, this one equal to v equal to 1, so it will be v bar, and this one is v, so this is also not common. So only the expression for this octet will be this one only. Now go for this. If you go for this, so from here, from row side we have x common, so x will be here, and from here we have y, it will be y, and each cell of this K map is having v, so all the cells also of this group is having v. Okay, na? So we have to multiply that v with the remaining terms, so v is common for this group also. What will be the answer? The simplified expression will be v bar w bar y bar plus vxy plus w bar x. This will be the simplified expression for this 5 variable K map. Okay, na? It is never come in GATE exam, but have to know concept related to 5 variable K map. Our next topic is hazard. Okay, na? What is hazard? It is a condition in which output of a circuit, it is a condition in which output of a circuit changes momentarily, whereas ideally it must not change. Okay na, it must not change. It is a condition in which output of a circuit changes momentarily, whereas ideally it must not change. Okay na. It occurs, why it occurs? It occurs due to propagation delay of logic gate. It occurs due to propagation delay of logic gates. Okay na. I am going to show you hazard through this gate, this circuit. Suppose I have one AND gate here. We have two inputs A and B, and we have again one more AND gate connected with a NOT gate. NOT gate is connected with AND gate, and we have input at B here, and the second input of this AND gate is C. Now the output of these two AND gate is connected with OR gate. Okay na. So this is our function. Now initially, suppose we don't have any delay for these gates, but we have some delay for this gate. It has some delay to produce output. Okay na, propagation delay. So whenever these two are 1, it is 1 and output will be 1. Okay na. So if 1 is there, so output will be 0 here, so it will give you 0, output is 1. Okay na. Ideally we think that output is always 1 for this combination. Okay, now this is output our 1. Now when we change the value of V into 0, then it will come again 0 here, but we know that this NOT gate have some delay, so it will produce output after some time, after very less time delay is there. So after some time it will update this value, but before updation of value, what we get here, we get 0. We are the value is not updated till now, so it will be 0 and 1, it will be 0, so output will be changes into 0. So for very less time period, for very less time, it is changes from 1 to 0. Now when it got updated, so it will be 1, and then it is 1 1 1, it will be 1. Okay na. So output again will be 1. So this scenario, what we expect we expect that this 0 will never come as output, but it is coming due to the propagation delay of our NOT gate. Okay na. So this type of hazard is called as static 1 hazard. Static 1 hazard, I think is clear. So if B goes from 1 to 0, the output must remain at logic 1. Okay na. But it is momentarily goes to, okay, this type of hazard is known as static one hazard. Okay na? Why we get this static one hazard? Because of the propagation delay of NOT gate. Okay na? And in which case this static one hazard occurs? So it occurs when the circuit is implemented in SOP form, or you can say two level and or form. Okay na? You can see here it is two level and or na? So the next, similarly there is one more hazard, that is static zero hazard. So in static zero hazard we are expecting for output 0, but for very short time it goes for 1. Okay na? So this type of hazard is called as static zero hazard. We are expecting 0, but for very short period of time it is going to change in 1. Okay na? So this type of hazard is called as static zero hazard. If the output must remain at logic 0, but momentarily it changes into 1, then such type hazard is known as static zero hazard. Static zero hazard. Okay na? What is the second point? Second point is it occurs, static zero hazard occurs when the circuit is implemented as OR and two level OR and implementation is two level OR and implementation, that is POS form. Okay, so what is the solution of this? What is the solution of hazard? So elimination of hazard. If you talk about elimination of hazard, so first of all we have to consider what will be the function for that circuit. If you go there, so what will be the function? Boolean function. So it gives you AB, this one gives you B bar C, and what will be the f equal to AB plus B bar C. Okay, so there, so we know that f equal to AB plus B bar C. Now there are three variables here, so we have to make 3 variable min-term k-map. So it is our 3 variable min-term k-map. We take A here, B C here, so it will be B bar C bar, B bar C, C, B C bar. It will be A bar A. So AB, I want AB. AB means A from here, B from here, so it will be AB. Again A from here, B from here, so it will also be AB. Now B bar C, I want B bar C, so B bar C is this one. Okay, now I am going to group. So this is one group, this is second group, and this one is the third group. If you write expression for all the group, then suppose I am going to write expression for this group, so it will be B bar C. For this group it will be A from this side and C from above, so it will be AC, and for this it will be A B. Okay, na? Suppose we have circuit like this, it is AB. Now it is our NOT gate input, so it is B bar, this one is C. Now next is AC. Suppose I have one more, that is AC. So C is from here and A we get from here, it will be AC. Now we are ORing from here, so if I am going to take OR operation, take OR here, so it will be our function. Okay, now what happened whenever hazard occurs, you just include a redundant group in the function. Okay, na? What will be the function? Function will be B bar C plus AC plus AB. So if you want that hazard don't occur, then you have to include a redundant term in your expression. Okay, na? So for this, if you go, so it will be 1, B is 1. If we check here, so it is also 1. So this will be 1, this one is also 1, so it is 1. Now initially it is 0. Okay, na? So 1 is here, 0 is here, 1 is here, so output is 1. We know that. Now I told you that this gate has some delay, and we are changing this B into 0, so it will change this into 0, but due to some delay of this gate, the value which is here 0 is not updated. Okay, na? In that case the output of this is 0. Okay, and the output for this is 1 because C is 1, A is 1. Okay, now we are changing the value of B only, it will be 1, so output always be 1. Okay, na? From these two we have 0, but with this redundant term we got output always 1. It will not affect on the output. Okay, na? Output always we get 1. So this is our solution for hazard. If any hazard occurs, then you just include redundant term in the Boolean expression. So if hazard occurs, then include redundant term in Boolean expression. So this is the only solution for eliminating hazard. Okay, na? we have done now we have done enough problem for K-map and implicants. Okay na? So in the next lecture we will start combinational circuit. Okay, let's crack the gate. Thank you very much.